Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best trucker Bluetooths on Amazon. These Bluetooth devices work well in any truck cab that may lack the advanced connectivity features of more modern vehicles. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Lion Wireless Bluetooth FM Transmitter Radio Receiver. The hands-free call car charger offers an array of functionalities in one compact device. It serves as a car charger, ensuring that your smartphone never runs out of battery during your journey. Moreover, it acts as a wireless Bluetooth FM transmitter, allowing you to connect your phone to your car's audio system without the hassle of cables. Additionally, it functions as a music stereo adapter, enabling you to enjoy your favorite tunes in high-quality sound while on the road. This seamless integration of features makes it a truly convenient and versatile gadget. In addition to its impressive hands-free capabilities, the hands-free call car charger features dual USB ports. These ports allow you to charge 2 devices simultaneously, whether it's your smartphone, tablet, or other USB-powered gadgets. With its fast charging technology, you won't have to worry about running out of battery during long drives. This feature makes the hands-free call car charger an ideal travel companion for those who rely heavily on their devices. Setting up the hands-free call car charger is a breeze. Number 2. Suman Bluetooth FM Transmitter. We like the Suman Bluetooth FM transmitter because it's quick and easy to set up, and it has excellent sound quality. It features a 1.7-inch LCD display that rotates 270 degrees, making it accessible even if you're dealing with odd angles. It has fast charging technology and works with both Android and iOS devices. Other features include noise cancellation technology and a built-in microphone for hands-free calls. The transmitter has an audio jack that allows you to use devices that don't have Bluetooth connectivity. The interface is very intuitive, and it features v4.2 and enhanced data rate (EDR), which provides a quicker data transmission rate and a stabler connection compared to older versions. Overall, it's a great option if you want to listen to the GPS or your favorite music through your truck's stereo speakers. However, there have been some complaints that the device may interfere with your tire pressure monitoring system, so you may have to adjust a frequency to avoid that. Number 3. Kenevo Bluetooth Car Kit. Specifically designed to receive and answer calls, this hands-free Bluetooth car kit can connect to any Bluetooth smartphone, such as iPhone or Android. You can stream music seamlessly from any Bluetooth device that supports apps technology and enjoy CD-quality audio. For the best performance, the transmitter needs 3.5mm audio input from your car's stereo. It comes with user-friendly music controls. Kenevo's transmitter comes with a built-in microphone that quickly picks up instructions for music or calls and relays them to your phone. You can activate Siri on the device for easier communication. The transmitter's small size makes it easy to carry around. One of its standout features is that it automatically connects to devices you've previously paired it with. The company offers a hassle-free 2-year warranty, in addition to US-based lifetime customer support. Number 4. Nulaxi Bluetooth FM Transmitter. It's always exciting when you buy a multifunctional device like this one. This Bluetooth FM transmitter comes with excellent USB charging technology. It functions as Bluetooth and a charger and can charge compatible devices 4 times faster than standard chargers. In just 35 minutes, your device will be powered to 80%. For enhanced safety, the transmitter's voltmeter displays your car's battery status. Its 7-color LED backlight creates a visually stunning display. You can use Google Assistant or Siri to send messages, make phone calls, or get directions. The voice control feature allows you to stay fully focused on driving. The transmitter quickly notifies you about incoming phone calls and gives pairing instructions. You can play audio files on your device via a USB drive, microSD card, or Bluetooth. Number 5. Kryakra Bluetooth FM Transmitter for Car. Given the increasing popularity of Bluetooth transmitters and the numerous choices available, it's easy to get confused when choosing one. That's why we've taken time to study products like Cryoker's upgraded Bluetooth FM transmitter. It comes with 3 music playing modes and can play music via Bluetooth, USB drive, and TF card. Its built-in microphone lets you answer calls, hang up, reject calls, and redial the last number easily. The transmitter supports WMA, FLAC, MP3, and WAV formats. The upgraded device provides a better sound experience, enhanced anti-interference performance, and a more stable signal. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.